So let's go ahead and find the slope for these various examples. First thing we want to do, when we're given 2 points, this looks kind of similar to this y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You can use that to figure out what your slope is. So we'll have an x1 and a y1, and then we have x2, y2, and go ahead and plug that into your equation. So we'll have a negative 6 minus a 4 divided by 2 plus 2. And this will get us a negative 10 divided by 4, or negative 5/2. So that's your slope for A. Go ahead and look at B. Do the same thing. Identify your x1, y1, and your x2, y2. So we will get an 8 minus an 8 divided by 5 plus 3. And what this actually gets us is 8 minus 8 is 0 divided by 8. So we're okay with this one. We are just having a slope of 0. How about this last one? Well, we have x1, y1, and we have x2, y2, and go ahead and plug that into your equation. 10 plus 10 divided by negative 4 plus 4, and this gets us a 20 divided by 0. Now, when you have a 0 in the bottom, this is actually going to be an undefined slope. So go ahead and write undefined. So just keys to remember, 0 on the top is going to be a slope of 0. Just think of it kind of like a ski slope. You know, you have no slope at all or 0 slope. And when it's in the bottom, it's going to be undefined.